I'm Callie D'Augusto. I'm a junior, and we're just going to take a look at the journalism lab today. This is Ms. Kalkowski, and she teaches English and journalism, so she's just going to tell us a little bit about that.
Thanks, Callie. At Marian, journalism is an English elective. And one of the cool things is if you come in and you want to get involved, just come introduce yourself to me. Take a little initiative and we can find photos for you to take or editing that you can help with, and all of that stuff is great. But let me show you some of the publications that we create, or that the students here create. I'm simply their advisor. They are the editors, they are the designers, they are the writers, they are the photographers. Okay, so a newspaper once a month. Here's our most recent one. So at the end of the month, the newspaper comes out, which is really exciting, and students do everything inside. So from deciding what goes in, to what stays in, and what they write about, and what photos they take, all that is student done. So that's awesome. We also do a yearbook, and that's what these girls are working on right here. So this happens to be last year's yearbook. It's a 240-page all-color yearbook. These girls have the experience of publishing a book by the time they're done with high school. So they work with the publisher, they work with the creative specialists, they take every photo, decide everything that goes on, and then they edit each other's work, which is really, really cool.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and I'm one of the editors of the yearbook this year, and right now I'm just helping Grace figure out what pictures she should put on our spread, because we had a lot of great pictures from Walkathon, and now we're just trying to find out which ones capture the day the best and are the most focused and centered.
I'm Grace, and on each spread we have a story and then photos to go with the theme of the spread.
So another thing we do for the yearbook is we design the cover, and this is our cover for this year.
Our theme is Bring It On 2021 because we want to increase positivity and show that we're ready for whatever 2021 brings on with the year.
Another publication we have is Burn Magazine. Here's our most recent. This is a literary arts magazine that any student can submit work to. So poetry, short stories, art, photographs, even some 3D sculptures put into a 2D magazine, but very, very cool. To be involved in Burn, you do not have to be in journalism. You just need to be selected to be part of the staff, and Callie's part of that staff, which is really exciting. She's one of those junior editors. The other really fun publication we have is the MBeat. And so every week we have a 5-minute news show, and these girls made them last year. Okay, a 5-minute show about what's going on. So they are available online anytime. So follow our YouTube channel, Marian MBeat.
Hi, it's Shantise again, and here at Marian we have a Humanities Scholars Program. And right now I'm going to take you into the Humanities Intro class.
I'm Jillian Roger, and I am in the Social Studies Department here at Marian, and I am the teacher of the Intro to Humanities class, which is the introductory class to our brand new Humanities Scholar Program. So in the class, the Humanities class, we learn about all the different disciplines of the humanities. We've studied literature, we've studied history, we've done art and music, and we even studied philosophy. So students get a little 2-week glimpse into all of these different disciplines and hopefully find one that they really see themselves really attaching to and really loving. So that will then take them into the Humanities Scholar Program. Most of them will go on the program, and it's basically a tailored selection of electives that they take here at Marian. So specific art classes or philosophy classes, history classes, and that helps them kind of cultivate their understanding of the humanities and really help shape their worldview. So in their senior year, they do a final project called their Humanities Capstone Project, and in that they get to pick any kind of topic they want to. So they'll present them in the spring, and then that will be the end of their capstone project. So they will graduate as humanities scholars. There's a few other requirements in there, things like volunteer hours and things like that, but for the most part, the idea behind the Humanities Scholar Program is to cultivate the humanities in these young women to help them have an understanding of the world, have an understanding of the humanities, which really helps us understand our place in the world as humans, and hopefully set them up for great success when they go to college.
I'm Cece Urbanski. I'm a sophomore here at Marian, and this is honestly one of my favorite classes I'm in. It's a lot of broad topics that I feel are really important for us to learn as people in order to just grow, and I think it personally has helped me grow as a person. I think it's really fun and a great opportunity.